Hi, welcome to Perkins Motors. We're showcasing our 2022 Jeep Wrangler. My name is Shawn Miller. I'm the service manager here. Today we want to do just a quick series of how-to videos. You know how to fill up your washer fluid, check your oil, and check some of the other vital fluids of your vehicle. Hey, welcome back to our series of how-to videos. My name is Shawn Miller. I'm the service manager here. Today we want to talk about our brake fluid. When we look at the brake fluid, there's usually verbiage on there like DOT3, DOT4. Those are the fluid types that this one uses. You always know it's a brake master cylinder reservoir because it's always attached to the brake master cylinder, and for decades it's always been attached to the firewall. So you always know where it is. You're going to see little lines here that indicate where the fluid level should be. There's one over here, and then there's a max and a lower over here. You also notice that it's a translucent bottle. So when you take a look at it, you can kind of see that the fluid is still good. It should be the color like a champagne or like a light beer. If it ever becomes dark on you, you're going to want to change that fluid. Here at Perkins, we usually recommend we replace this fluid for you every 2 years or every 24,000 miles, whichever comes first. So we want to keep it the freshest it could possibly so you have the most braking ability that you have here. My name is Shawn Miller, and I'll be here to greet you.